Congratulations, you've started to build your single bundle. So we're going to populate it with your name. If you have a middle name, you must put it in. Your date of birth and your address. Now note here that I've done a search on the little search bar, but that's only to help me fill out this information. If my address is flat 62, then I've got to type in physically, manually, flat 62. Now let's have a look at some of these questions here. The lock and build button, that will come later after you've finished all your questions. So you see that a number of the questions will go red. When they're all green, you'll actually be able to see lock and build. The 3-generation testamentary trusts, the divorce protection trusts, the superannuation testamentary trusts to wash out the 32% tax, they're all in the 3-generation testamentary trust will standard. They're all in there. So don't worry about if you can't see a question for divorce protection trust, we put it in. They're discretionary of nature. So your family beneficiaries do not have to use them, or they can or cannot use them as they see fit. So all your tax-driven materials are already in the will. Do you use a residential address? What's that? You use a post office box because you're very private. I accept that, and that's fine. But for a will, you've got to use a residential address. Don't cause trouble. We have to probate your will after you're dead, and we don't want any trouble. You're paying our law firm a lot of money to make sure that your beneficiaries have the easiest chance possible to reduce tax, get probate, and do everything that's necessary. The cost of the wills and your power of attorneys include free advice after you're dead. So we will help them, but you also need to do the correct thing, and that's a residential address. If your address changes, it doesn't matter. Addresses will change, your beneficiary's address, your address will change from time to time. That does not matter. You don't need to update your will just because you change your address. We'll now move to alias names.